Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you detailed insights into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in its class, the Weber Spirit E310 3-burner natural gas grill. This grill isn't just any grill, it's a game changer for backyard enthusiasts and culinary aficionados alike. Known for its quality build and impeccable performance, the Weber Spirit E310 sets a new standard in grilling. Let's start with the features that make this grill stand out from the competition. First off, it boasts a spacious cooking area of 529 square inches over 3 powerful burners. Perfect for large gatherings or intimate family dinners. One of the standout features is Weber's GS4 grilling system. It includes improved infinity ignition, burners, porcelain enameled flavorizer bars, and a grease management system. These components work together to ensure consistent heat distribution and easy cleanup, enhancing your grilling experience. The design is both practical and stylish. With an open cart design, swivel locking casters, and 2 large wheels, it's easy to move around your patio. The built-in lid thermometer helps you monitor cooking temperatures without lifting the lid, ensuring your food is grilled to perfection. Durability is key with the Weber Spirit E310. It features porcelain enamel, cast iron cooking grates that retain heat evenly and are built to last. The grill is built to withstand the elements, making it a reliable companion for years to come. Whether you're a grilling novice or a seasoned pro, this grill is designed for ease of use. Assembly is made straightforward with 3D interactive instructions available through the Built app. Plus, with 6 tool hooks and 2 side tables, you have ample space for utensils and food prep. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your outdoor cooking experience, the Weber Spirit E310 3-burner natural gas grill is an excellent choice. From its robust construction to its innovative features, it's clear why this grill continues to be a favorite among grill enthusiasts. That wraps up our review of the Weber Spirit E310 3-burner natural gas grill. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy grilling!